Modernized to meet the growing needs of the heavy building industry, the dispatch order entry makes scheduling, ticketing, and tracking orders easier than ever. Let's take a look. In the Orders module, you'll have access to your company's recent active and inactive orders, as well as insights into each order and vehicle demand. The intuitive design, plus new and forthcoming AI monitoring tools, like the cancellation predictor, available winter 2025, that predicts cancellation percentage based on past behavior, makes it easy to quickly monitor orders and their statuses so you can stay informed and take action at a minute's notice. Need more information about an order? No problem. Simply open the order details for the orders you want to learn more about. The order details provides you with everything you need to know about an order, featuring adjustable delivery and customer details. Scheduling, which includes the new order schedule modeling that provides real-time insight into plant capacity, so you can strategically adjust your orders based on your needs. And an activity feed to track changes to the order over time, giving you insight into your orders like never before. An order taker can create and ticket up to 250 orders a day. With our new order builder, we've aimed to simplify how you create orders, without losing any critical order details along the way. Let's take a look. To create an order, all you need to do is, first, click the Create Orders button. Next, fill out the required order details like customer, project, and order status. Here's a tip. Creating an order from the customer or project profile will populate all that information onto the order automatically. Then add one or more products from the products list, making sure to specify quantities, prices, as well as any other important details you might want to include. After you've added all the products you want in the order, select a delivery time using the Date Selector tool. You can either enter dates using the calendar or by typing them in manually. After you've added your products and delivery date, then select a plant using the plant map. The location finder uses GPS mapping to locate and display all available and unavailable plants based on the provided order address, helping ensure accurate and timely deliveries. Then verify your delivery scheduling and process the order. After the order has been created, you can then ticket the order. To do so, simply click the Ticket button. Then assign a carrier, vehicle, and driver. Review it one last time for accuracy, and then click the Ticket button to create the ticket and send it to billing. With a radically updated user interface to dispatch staples like the Order Builder and Order Insights, plus the integration of AI into new features like the Cancellation Predictor, Dispatch Orders modernizes and streamlines your day-to-day order processing like never before.